Hi everyone, it's Adam Halpern from Indicator Warehouse. I wanted to do a quick video on the new Profit Manager version 2. I promised that I'd send out some additional what I would call video manuals. And here's just a subtle feature that I think is important that you all know about that we didn't cover in the first one, and that is how to show historical dots or historical activity. And it's useful because it'll help you kind of work with the parameters on how you want to set your stops, going forward. So it's not what I would call the prettiest thing in the world, but it's really the most accurate way of doing it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to open up my indicator parameters, and it's right here, number 20, show trail dots before entry. So right now you can see it's set on current bar. If I actually change this to none, then you wouldn't have any dots at all over here, right? Let me scoot this over so you can see that, okay? Or what I can do is I can change it to all. And so what all does is show you historically what this ATR setting, which happens to be set at 3 as a default, how this would have played out historically in your trading. Okay, and so you can do this with various stops. So this is how the fixed tick would have played out according to its settings. Here's an SMA. And what I'm doing is just changing the stop type here and then hitting F5 on my keyboard to make it recalculate historically what those dots would look like. Now the reason you have them here, let me show you something a little unusual here. That's your good old-fashioned super trend. I know everybody loves to see that one. The reason you have them on both sides is because this is such an accurate indicator. It doesn't know when you got in or got out. So it's going to show you what an ATR would have done or what a Bollinger Band trail would have done, whether you were long or short. Now, the reason I show you this one is the super trend's a little different. It's always going to show you just one side of the trend. Okay, but the standard trailing stop, so let's say we were doing a weighted moving average. I'm going to hit F5. So you can see if you were going long, it would have been here. This is the one to be looking at. If you were going short, it would have been here. This is the one to be looking at. So hopefully that helps you a little bit. And the whole purpose of showing the historical dots usually is just to help you figure out what parameters you want to set for your individual trailing style. And go back here, because as you remember, you have a lot of choices here. Maybe you like an ATR that's a little tighter. I happen to like a 1.5 ATR. Or you want to see what your moving average looks like with an offset of 5 ticks, right? Or if you're using our customized or proprietary bar high-low, well, what does it look like if I'm using the bar high-low of 3 bars back? And this will allow you to see how it would have performed, historically. So hopefully that helps. It does default to, out of the box, shall we say, to current bar. And that's just what you would use when you would normally be trading. So that's it for now, and look for another video from us soon. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us over at www.indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks so much.